If you register Boma Yangu the wrong way, you might miss a chance to own a house in Kenya. Let me show you the correct step-by-step process. Step 1. Go to www.bomayangu.go.ke and make sure it's the official website. The official website looks like this. Step 2. Create account. Click up kwa register and enter your national ID, your full names as they appear on your ID, enter your phone number, the phone number that we are using right now, and the correct email address. Then create a strong password that you will be using while logging in. Okay. Step 3. Verify your account. Enter the OTP that will be sent into your phone. Check your phone after registering. Enter those digits. Okay. Fill your employment details, your income details, and your next of kin. Step 5. Contributions. If you are employed, contributions will be deducted automatically from your salary. If you are self-employed, you will pay manually via mobile money. Step 6. Apply for a house that you want. Select project location, then choose your house type. If it's a bedsitter, if it's a 1-bedroom, or it's a 2-bedroom, then submit your application. Step 7. Track your status by checking your dashboard oftenly. If you want the full guidance and help while applying, check the link in the description and I will guide you step by step for only. Make sure you subscribe to Kenya Digital Guides for more step-by-step processes. See you in the next video.